guys, so it is my first time in a truck going from Jersey to Maryland. Oh my god. So the first time I'm going to go to Maryland, so I'm going to see what Maryland is like. So guys, the journey is good so far, but look what happened. We were wondering, why is the traffic so backed up? Look guys, look, it's really bad. It is really bad. A car was just burning, so I hope the person is okay. Look guys, the entire car burned right up. My god. And guys, people was there just looking. Guys, we were in this traffic for almost maybe a 20 minutes, guys, and we are going far, and we were just wondering what happened. Guys, when you see things like these, it is best to stay far away from it, guys. That's fire. You need to keep yourself safe. So we were just wondering until we see that the car caught fire. I hope the individual or the individuals who were in the car, they are safe. But right now guys, we are on our way. The sun is really hot, but it was a good run, and I am happy. I am out the house and I'm heading to Maryland, and I'm gonna see what Maryland brings. So come with us guys. Jesus. Ooh, Khadija, you missing baby girl. You miss something outside. Pretty. Jeez. Oh my god. You're so nice. Nothing on that. You're so pretty. Khadija, you're missing girl. I'm sorry. But Khadija, how right sit down? Khadija said she'll go park. Oh, we Khadija go park every day. That's bored. So we're gonna see one more this song.
Maryland. That's Delaware.
So guys, finally we are in Delaware. Oh my god. I always hear about Delaware, but this is the first time I'm in Delaware, and guys, it's not that bad. I love it. Yes, I love it, but still I'm a New Jersey girl. I love my New Jersey. So anyway guys, I'm just here enjoying myself, and I'm bringing you guys with me.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
Yeah. Whoa. So, guys, we are finally in Maryland. Oh, God. Anyway, Maryland, I am here. So, anyway, guys, it's a nice town, to be honest. Maryland, it's a nice town. And I'm wondering if I would live in Maryland. Guys, comment below and let me know which state are you. Let me know if you are a Maryland girl. I am a New Jersey girl. And I'm wondering if I would live in Maryland. But guess what? I'm gonna go back to Maryland and see if I do really love Maryland. So I don't know if I would move to Maryland or not. But anyway, guys, the little drive through, it's good. And let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the road trip so far. But guess what, guys, I am enjoying the road trip so far.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things
So guys, this is really rough because we are driving like a lot of hours already. So we are just planning to stay like I think like 12 hours in a truck. So I'm trying to see what 12 hours in a truck is like. So anyway, we are still driving through. As I said, it's a road trip and so forth. Guys, could you believe it? I ate one time from morning and I'm not hungry. Maybe because I'm so anxious for a road trip. 'Cause guys, I love traveling. I love traveling so much. So I ate one time from morning and even now I'm not hungry. And it's evening now. It's about 5 o'clock now, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. I'm gonna look at the time. Okay, so guys, it is 50 minutes past the hour of 5 and it's one time from morning. Could you believe it? And normally first time, normally like days like after 5, I'm eating like 3 times already, 4 times already, but I don't know what happened. Let me guys, let me know in the comment section below if when you go out you're not that hungry or it's me alone this happened to. I don't know. City life is noise.
Nice place. Alex, this way. Wow, Japanese. Japan, Jamaican restaurant.
Guys, you see the time is getting dark, really dark, and I'm so tired at the moment, so I am going to end the vlog here, and I'm going to get something to eat because god, I don't want gas to take me up because eating one time from morning and it's like almost night now, that's not good for no one at all. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.